In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my curry chicken over basmati rice. I discovered this curry paste at the Union Square Holiday Market. It is called Mama Lamb's. It's a local New York business. Here I have the traditional medium and the traditional mild. In today's video, I'm using the traditional mild. I always start off with my rice because I like to throw it in the rice cooker while I prep my chicken. I usually do 1 cup water, 1 cup rice. Definitely rinse it off for a bit. I don't have the proper strainer, so if you do have a strainer where your rice just like won't fall through, definitely go that route. For my chicken, I have some sea salt, black pepper, some blackened seasoning. Here you can see the ingredients for the blackened seasoning, so if you need to pause, go ahead and pause. Garlic powder. And in my lovely mason jar container, I have my Tony sachets, which I literally put on everything, almost in every video, so like, hey, yeah. Chicken thighs is something that I'm still working on perfecting because if you cook it too long, it can just like be really dry. Honestly, I don't really have it on its sides long, maybe like 2-3 minutes, and then I flip it over because my pan is usually pretty hot, and then I keep an eye out on it because I'm still trying to perfect this. I add a little bit of water because the chicken thighs will make its own juices, its own water, but I add a little bit more just so I can have some base for the curry paste. And I'm not really trying to get a sauce, like a curry sauce. I'm trying to kind of make it some type of oil base because I just want it to glaze over my chicken, and I just want a little bit of glaze on my rice. So by this time, the chicken has maybe been cooking for about 10 minutes, a little less than 10. And now I'm gonna add my Mama Lamb's traditional mild curry paste. How much you want to add is really up to you because it's just about how thick you want it. But of course, you will definitely need something to actually make it thick, but that is just not the intention of my meal today. But if you do end up trying a curry sauce, then just let me know in the comments how it went for you. I added a little bit of olive oil. I know it's olive oil and it's water and it's not going to mix well, whatever the case may be. But like I said a million times already, I really just wanted a glaze and I didn't want to just add more water because then it's just, I don't know, it loses its flavor. So I just added a little bit of olive oil this time. You definitely don't have to add olive oil. You can just have like a water-based curry paste if you like. But if you cook it for a little longer, it turns out just fine. Overall, this meal takes about 20-25 minutes. It is such a quick and easy meal that I have enjoyed multiple times, and I am probably gonna turn into a piece of curry chicken and you know, a little bit of basmati rice on the side. I don't know. But yeah, definitely let me know if you try this in the comments. If you do make a thicker sauce, please let me know what you use. I know you can use like coconut milk in a can. I literally just learned that. Like, I wasn't sure which kind of milk you can use, but I am no chef. I'm just a girl who likes to cook, you know? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.